Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error read fault error code 30 on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, error read fault and error code 30, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt to Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your PC for any bad and corrupted file system. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once successfully completion of sfc scan now command, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. Click on device manager from the context menu, and here in device manager windows, look for any faulty driver having yellow color exclamation mark appeared against this. In my case, no any yellow color exclamation mark found. So for example, if you found any yellow color exclamation mark means faulty driver found, simply right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Thereafter, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, on the same faulty driver, same again, right click on that driver, faulty driver, and choose properties. And here from the top menu bar, go to driver. And here you will find the option rollback driver. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. In my case, no any previously installed driver, so it will grayed out. In your case, if it will active, then rollback driver and follow on screen instruction to complete the rolling back of your driver and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type rstrui and this command will open system restore windows in your system. Click on OK and restore system and file settings page will open. Here system restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So you have a recommended restore point here available. If you want to choose more different restore point, then make the check against option, choose a different restore point. Make the check against, choose a different restore point and click on next. On the next page, you will find various restore point and the latest Windows update. Select it and click on next. Finally, confirm your restoration point, time 16 January and Windows update. Your system will restore to the before Windows update.